Alright, today we're going to show you how to take apart your Xbox to hotswap. A few tools you're going to need: a Phillips screwdriver, a T10 or a Torx 10, and a small flat screwdriver. Start off by pulling off your hard drive, and then by pulling off your faceplate. Next, take your screwdriver, and then on the side panels there are little holes where you can stick the screwdriver in to pop this top panel. Okay, now on the back side there are 5 little spots right here on the back, on this side, and 2 on this side. Take your little screwdriver and stick it down in there, and you'll hear a pop on each one of these. Turn around to the other side. Side of it. Okay, now you need to turn around to the front where the faceplate was, and there are little latches here. Here there'll be your warranty sticker, and here, and a little one on the side. Just pop those up. Okay, now here's where you will need your Torx 10, and there are 5 or 6 screws. One here, 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 and here. Just pull all those out. Okay, now once you got all those screws up, set those to the side and make sure you don't lose them. And here on the front, right where your eject button is, you can just pop that off, set that to the side, and then just pull up easily on the top, and it should just pull right off. Okay, lift up the front and then the back, and on the back there will be 2 cords. Just unplug both of those. Set this to the side for now. And then flip over the disk drive and get your Phillips screwdriver and unscrew these 4 screws. Alright, now after you take all the 4 screws out of the bottom, there's 2 little spots on each side where you can stick your fingers there and grab that. And then you can set that down and push on top of these little black things right here on top, and that will pull off. Then you get your Xbox and you plug the cords back into where they were. Like that. And then on this, under this, you pull up the sticker, and there is this little magnet thing that holds the disc down. On top, you just hold the bottom and spin, and that piece will come off. Then you just put it back together like that and put it on there. Alright, now you're going to plug your Xbox back up and make sure you put your hard drive back on and power on your Xbox. Alright, you need to pull your magnet off and set that to the side, and you need to hit A to open tray on the new dashboard. Get your regular game file. I'm using EFLC, and close it back up. Make sure you set your magnet back on top for it to load up. Alright, then you hit X for game details for this to pull up. Okay, you need to hover over install and make sure you have your modded disk. And then you slowly need to stop this disk, take the magnet off, put this disk on, and put the magnet back on like this. Then click install. Make sure that you clear your game saves, and make sure you clear your cache for this. Okay, now that the game is complete, you can go ahead and hit A, and you will need to then switch your game back and put your normal game in your regular disc. And for this, you can just go back and eject. Take the magnet off. Set your magnet back on and put that back in and let it load. And click play game. I'll just show you that the hotswap worked here. And there is a message from the website that I got these mods from. Okay, the hot swap worked, and I'll just show you that this is actually modded. So that right there isn't, well, that right there is some of the mods that are on here. It's just regular speed mod right there. But if you have any questions, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.